Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, eXp Realty in West Florida, and here's a listing that's just hitting the market. It's located in Gulf Coast High School zone. It's on a large lot, quiet street. Do you hear all that noise? Nothing, just a few birds chirping. The lot is fully irrigated, fully fenced. There's your electric gate, which you can obviously work remotely. And this is a 4-bedroom plus a den, 3-bath home. And here's the detached garage or shop. Plenty of parking space. And as I mentioned, the lot itself, it's fully irrigated. The home was recently, there was an addition, there was work done, and that was done by a very reputable local builder, and we can send you the information on that. Some of the improvements on this property, we've got a long list, so please ask us for them. One of the things there you can see is a high capacity Kinetico reverse osmosis system. So basically that means you can drink the water out of any faucet in the house. We've got plenty of elbow room here. Many fruit trees. And this is the back of the house. So it just gives you an idea. Everything is very well maintained, and the seller's plans changed, and that's why this has been offered for sale. A very desirable school zone, as I mentioned, Gulf Coast High School zone. So let's come on inside. Even though we're on a private street, see how far back the home is situated on the lot. Nice bay window feature there, and welcome. This is the view from your front door. And you hear that noise? Not a thing. As I mentioned, just a few birds chirping. So let's come on inside. And immediately you can see some of the upgrades and updating that was done here. Beautiful kitchen. And it wasn't the cheapy granite either. It's a high quality, high end granite. Beautiful finish. You've got a pass through there to your pool area. Stove, slide out microwave, breakfast bar. So let's go over this way. Here you've got a den, nice flooring. The views are pretty from all of the windows here. This is set up as an office at the moment. Obviously with many people working from home, there's a demand for that. So here's the, we're going backwards. This is the 4th bedroom. And this bedroom, it could easily be made into a second master suite, or it could be made into an in-law suite. You know, there are many potential uses. Let's go back over here. We've got a nice bay window, and you can see the view from inside again. You know, it's quite nice, very private here. Plenty of privacy and plenty of room and desirable schools. Win, win, win. Let's have a look at the kitchen from here. So the master is over on this side. Again, nice tiling throughout. We have a list of all the updates. Vaulted ceilings here. We've got 3 sets of French doors going out to the pool area. Over here we've got a bathroom here and a pretty good sized walk-in closet here. Again, that's the view from your window and from your bed out to the pool area. Dual sinks. So this gives you a good idea for the finishes. We'll go to the pool area afterwards. So this is one of your guest bathrooms. As I mentioned, we have 3 of them. Nice finishes throughout. There's your laundry room. Your sink. This door takes you back outside. This would be the 3rd bedroom, I suppose. Nice vaulted, good size, nice room, and again, you know, nice views from the window. That's the view of the kitchen from here before we go down. Dining area. This 2nd bedroom. So as I mentioned, 4 bedrooms in total. Property is very kid friendly. And I mentioned about the lot being fully irrigated. Closet there on our left, and here's another guest bathroom which also serves as the pool bath. So we'll go up there now in a second. Got your tub here. And where would we be without outdoor living area? Good sized pool. And there's plenty of underthrust here as well. So, good shaded area. We've got a number of skylights. I think there's probably 4. They were changed also. As I mentioned, we have all the list of improvements. It's a very nice property. And the owners have done, you know, wonderful improvements, so the next owner can really enjoy it. And that's your mechanicals and the water treatment system there. I'll just go quickly into the shop. This put in a concrete base, and the Harley is not included. We've got LED lights there. There's a roller door. So that just gives you an idea. We've got some shelving and stuff over here. And again, the lot here, it's nice and private. So you have privacy, good school, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and many updates recently. It's going to be a great buy for somebody. You know, we have a lot of people moving here from many other parts of the country that have been affected by recent events. And you know, Collier County, it's very desirable. We'll put a website up here, hoeyteam.net, and also our cell number 239-360-5527. So, you know, email us or from our website, you can contact us or text us or call us or whatever. But we'll put some information down here too, including a text code to get the 3D tour and all of the information for this particular property. Anyway, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team in Naples, Southwest Florida, at this new listing, and we're excited to be presenting it, and it's going to make a great home for the next owner. Check out our website, hoeyteam.net. You know, we market and sell a number of cool properties here in Southwest Florida, and check them out. hoeyteam.net, and we'll have the link up here for that. Alrighty, chat soon. Bye for now.